Hi my gorgeous ones at one with nature. I'm out in this beautiful forest today and I thought I would share the journey with you. I'll just see some more of the beauty of nature that she gives us every day. And while we're doing this little walk, I want you to connect with Mother Earth, with nature, and just feel her power, her love, and the healing that she gives through the birds that are singing, the trees, the foliage, the air that you breathe, the water that you drink, and the skies and the sun. So just enjoy the beauty and just imagine that you're breathing in this beautiful healing earth energy. Just breathe it into the whole of your body. So just breathe in and out as normal, but as you're breathing in and out, just imagine that you are breathing this gorgeous fresh air in, and it's healing the whole of your body, rejuvenating, energizing and loving your body. Look at these gorgeous little flowers. Going down and down further into the forest. I love exploring. You just never know what you're going to find, what you're going to see. And it's just so exciting as well to be able to explore and share it with you. From a distance it looked like a snake. You do get adders round here. But it's the stick. We're safe. Down and down, down, further we go. The trouble is when you go down, you've got to come back up. We don't mind that either. Oh, it's a squirrel in the tree. I wonder what it was. Don't think you can see it from here. gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Just goes on and on and on, which we love. More exploring and more excitement. Right, my gorgeous ones, I'm sending you lots of love and healing and hugs. Take care for now. Bye.